Learn Hindi daily verbs. Pay attention to get annoyed with.
ध्यान देना,
2.
चिढ़ना,
Welcome to the sleepy language circus. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi with a chaotic day, a dramatic alarm clock, and at least one emotionally unstable cup of tea. Just listen, smile, and repeat the Hindi when you hear it. Our hero today is Sam, a person with big dreams, small patience, and a phone alarm that sounds like a panicked chicken. Every morning the alarm screams, "Time to."
जागना,
Exclamation mark quote. Sam opens one eye, closes it again, and immediately tries to.
सो जाना,
For just 5 more minutes. Of course, those 5 minutes are magical. They become 30. Then Sam jumps up and shouts, "Why does life always begin so early?" Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just notice the key Hindi verbs and let the story do the heavy lifting. Today you will hear.
ध्यान देना,
For pay attention. You will hear.
जागना,
For wake up. You will hear.
सो जाना,
For to fall asleep. You will hear.
आराम करना,
For rest. You will hear.
जल्दी करो,
For hurry up. You will hear.
इंतजार करना,
For wait and also in context for look forward to. And you will hear.
चिढ़ना,
For to get annoyed. A ridiculous morning. Picture the scene and repeat the Hindi out loud if you can. Yes, even if your cat judges you. Sam finally manages to.
जागना,
Sits up and tries to.
ध्यान देना,
To the schedule for the day. The schedule says, shower, breakfast, bag, keys, dignity. Sam loses the keys, forgets the bag, and misplaces the dignity immediately. From the kitchen, Sam's sister yells.
जल्दी करो,
The bus is leaving. Sam yells back, "I am moving at top speed." This is a lie. Sam is still wearing one sock. Mini drill. Now you try. I say the English, and you think of the Hindi. Wake up.
जागना,
Pay attention.
ध्यान देना,
Hurry up.
जल्दी करो,
Rest.
आराम करना,
To fall asleep.
सो जाना,
Wait.
इंतजार करना,
To get annoyed.
चिढ़ना,
The bus stop tragedy. This is where language learning meets real life, standing somewhere and wondering why time has stopped. Very educational. Sam reaches the bus stop exactly 3 seconds too late. The bus drives away like it has personal issues. Now Sam has to.
इंतजार करना,
For the next one. At first Sam stays calm. Then the sun gets hotter. A baby cries. Someone plays loud music through a phone speaker that sounds like a broken robot singing underwater. Sam starts to.
चिढ़ना,
This is a good moment to remember.
इंतजार करना,
Means to wait, and.
चिढ़ना,
Means to get annoyed. The bus stop, sadly, teaches both words for free. Dialogue at maximum drama. Listen to this tiny dialogue like it is the final scene of an award-winning movie. Or a very silly one. Sister, did you miss the bus again? Sam, yes, now I have to.
इंतजार करना,
Quote. Sister, you should have listened when I said.
जल्दी करो,
Quote. Sam, I know, I need to.
ध्यान देना,
Quote. Sister, and stop starting your day by trying to.
सो जाना,
Again. Sam, that is not laziness. That is advanced pillow research. A useful twist. Here comes a subtle but helpful idea. One Hindi phrase can carry more than one feeling depending on context. Later, Sam says, I am really.
इंतजार करना,
The weekend. In simple learning context here, you can connect.
इंतजार करना,
With waiting and also with looking forward to something. If you are waiting for a late bus, the feeling is boring. If you are waiting for pizza night, the feeling is happy. Same core idea. Waiting. Different mood. Much better with pizza. Lunch break wisdom. You have survived the morning. Now let us move to the noble art of doing almost nothing. At lunch, Sam sits under a tree and decides to.
आराम करना.
This means to rest. Not to become one with the bench forever, just to rest. Sam closes both eyes for one peaceful minute. Two pigeons begin an argument nearby. A dog steals half a sandwich. Someone calls Sam's name 12 times. Suddenly resting is no longer restful, and Sam begins once again to.
चिढ़ना.
Life is a circle. Say it with feeling. Try repeating these with the emotion that matches the word. Drama helps memory. Sharp and focused.
ध्यान देना.
Sleepy but rising.
जागना.
Soft and slow.
सो जाना.
Relaxed like a cat on vacation.
आराम करना.
Fast and urgent.
जल्दी करो.
Patient, or pretending to be patient.
इंतजार करना.
Annoyed like your charger stopped working at 1%.
चिढ़ना.
Evening collapse. Now the day is ending, and your brain gets a cozy little review. Convenient, right? In the evening, Sam gets home and says, I just want to.
आराम करना.
After dinner, Sam tries to watch one episode of a show. Then one episode becomes 3. Eyes grow heavy. The hero on screen is still explaining his evil plan for the 17th time. Sam starts to.
सो जाना.
On the sofa. One last message arrives on the phone. Don't forget tomorrow's meeting.
ध्यान देना.
And please.
जल्दी करो.
In the morning, Sam looks at the message and becomes mildly, lovingly, deeply ready to.
चिढ़ना.
Quick quiz challenge. Let us see what stuck. No stress, just play along. What is Hindi for pay attention?
ध्यान देना.
What is Hindi for wake up?
जागना.
What is Hindi for to fall asleep?
सो जाना.
What is Hindi for rest?
आराम करना.
What is Hindi for hurry up?
जल्दी करो.
What is Hindi for wait?
इंतजार करना.
What is Hindi for to get annoyed?
चिढ़ना.
And which phrase can also express looking forward to in context?
इंतजार करना.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work, you made it through a full day of Hindi verbs without missing the imaginary bus. That is already a victory. Today you practiced.
ध्यान देना. जागना. सो जाना. आराम करना. जल्दी करो. इंतजार करना.
And.
चिढ़ना.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back to the story tomorrow. Little by little, your Hindi will grow, and hopefully your alarm clock will become less dramatic.